Let's do analysis for DXY. So we're gonna do a quick top-down analysis. Let's see what DXY is up to. As you can see that we've been on an uptrend, right? Right here. You can see this is the monthly time frame, and we can see currently that we have some sort of like a breakup structure right here. Right here, kinda it's not that effective, but at least we can see some sort of like a breakup structure. Let's go to weekly time frame and see what the market is doing. So we can see that we broke this previous structure here. So that just shows that we might continue to push to the upside right here. So if I use my mini fee from point A to point B, should be expecting some sort of like a movement on this area right here. Right here, right, which you can see there is an other block around this area. If I use right here, right, so there is a possibility of it pushing a little bit to the upside right here, managing 27% level before tanking to the downside. That's a possibility. So because of that, there is that higher chance of it actually pushing to the upside overall compared to going to the downside. But remember, this is our monthly time. This is our weekly time frame. So we still have to um go to more smaller time frame based on the fact that we are an intraday trader, right? So let me just delete this one. Let's go to my daily time frame and see what we are looking at right here. So based on this kind of adjust right here to see right around here, right? So I think I'm just gonna put my fib right here just to show overall that when we push into the upside, I'm looking forward to it going to my negative 27% fib. Like I said, I'm gonna leave this fib right here, right? And if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that most of the time whenever we get to my negative 27% level, there is always some sort of like a reversal, and we can see that that also aligns with the other block, right? We also have this imbalance right here, right? So we can see right here there is this imbalance right around here. So there's that imbalance right here, right? But like I said, I think it's still gonna push to the upside right here. So I'm gonna use my trend line, yeah, from here to here, just to see that it's an uptrend, right? So let's go to my 4-hour time frame. Let's see what the market is doing. Because I'm definitely more biased towards a buy rather than a sell based on price action. If I use, you can see right here, we've been breaking structure, right? You can see right here too, we broke structure too right here. Then we overall broke the overall structure right here. the bigger wire structure right here. So we can see right here that this is internal structure right here, right? This right here is our internal structure and it's been broken before we now see that it's now broke this overall right here. So it just shows that overall we are certainly more bullish rather than a sell, and we should always like to follow the trend, right? So we can see right here. So now let's go to my 2 hour time frame just to see, right? We can see right here that you see, based on this, we can see that we have this, right? An impulse correction continuation. We broke structure right around this here, right here. So now what I'm looking for is a retracement for us to now continue to buy, right? So let's see, there is this a very small right here, which is right a break of structure here. Let's go to my 1 hour time frame for more candlesticks so we can understand that we currently have this break of structure, but we can see that we broke this previous structure right here, which is now we have some sort of like a change of character right here. So based on this, right, we have a change of character. So now it's now showing from an uptrend now to some sort of a downtrend. If you see it vividly well right here, right, because we broke the structure. So now what am I expecting? I'm gonna use my mini fib right around this area right here. Let's see. So I'm gonna use my mini fib from point A here to some sort of like point B around this area right here. So as we can see, right, we can see around that area right here. So what am I looking at right now? Based on the fact that I said that we are going to continue to push to the upside, right? So I'm gonna use a fib right here. Sorry, my trend line for point A here to point B, right? We can see that we have this right here that also aligns with my negative 61.8% fib level. So this is a good place for us to actually take a trade from, right? But like I said, we're gonna push to the downside. So let's see. I think I just go 1 hour. So there's a possibility of it pushing up, right? We might start rejecting off of my 30 20 sorry off of 23.6% fib level for us to continue to tank to the downside to probably around 61.8% fib level, because that's like a sort of like an other block. But be mindful of 27% fib level, because that's also like a reversal area right there that we have to be mindful about. Or there's that possibility for it to push a little bit up to maybe the 38.2% fib level right there, right? Before we see some sort of like a rejection. Because if I zoom out a little bit, we can see there is this some sort of other block right here, right? There is that sort of other block right here around the 50% fib level, right around here, right? And we also have an imbalance that needs to be filled around this right here, right here. Needs to be filled, right? So like I said, there's a possibility of a rejecting there. But just in case this becomes invalid, right? And we don't reject around that area, right? then my next option will certainly be around the 78.6% fib level, because that's where we have another other block right here, right? So based on that, I'm gonna put let's see. So that becomes invalid. Like I said, if that becomes invalid, then I'll be looking forward to take my trade around this area right here. Right? This area right here, for it to push down. That's for those that want to go for the reversal, but I'll ask you to be more careful about the reversal because we are definitely on an uptrend, right? So this would be a good spot right now. So my own overall takes definitely would be up move, right, which is coming from here to here. Then that will be my TP area. So let me just show an illustration of what I'll be kind of expecting around that area for me to take my trade, right? I'm expecting some sort of like a breakoff structure coming to retest. Then if you see that confirmation, then we're going to write it up to that area right there. So that will be a TP area for buy, right? But if you're going for sell, just go there. But I'm certainly more for buy than a sell. So let's put the price tag right here. So this is my quick analysis on the DXY, guys. If you guys find it helpful, if you do, please don't forget